category is Best Fantasy. Now, I know I just said that we need to look at the nominations, but do we really actually need to look at the nominations for this one? Like, okay, what fantasies were there in 2021? Let me think about what could possibly win this. Oh, maybe it was ReZero. Oh wait, I don't even think ReZero Season 2 was nominated for Best Fantasy. So what's it gonna be? What's it gonna be? To Your Eternity? No, come on, guys. Come on. 2021 was the birth of one of the best fantasy anime to come out. And I mean, come on. Do we really need a drum roll? Do we really need a fucking drum roll? Here's your fucking drum roll. We don't need a drum roll. It's fucking Mushoku Tensei, alright? Fucking what? 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 I'm genuinely speechless. What? What? How? How? How is this possible? What the fuck? Okay. I'm an Isekai fan. I liked Slime Season 2. I enjoyed it. I'm a Slime fan. But better than Mushoku Tensei? Are you kidding me? Are you fucking kidding me? No way! What? I am genuinely salty. Okay, this is I thought that Mushoku Tensei had one guaranteed dub. I thought Mushoku Tensei had one fucking guaranteed dub. What? What?